Hello there, name's TJ TV. I thought I'd show you a nice little device I made. It's a ram pump. Sorry, I'm just getting used to this new camera that I got. It's not the best, but it's doing a lot better than what I got. So this is the camera that, it doesn't really matter about the camera, but this is a ram pump that I made out of just junk, stuff that you can buy from like hardware stores. So first things first, you've got your valve here. It's just one that I got from the dump for nothing. Two T-valves, one there, other there, and two swing check valves here and here, and an angle joint right there. So how this works is pretty simple. Water comes in through this pipe here, comes up through here, travels up through this swing check valve, which slams shut. Water hits it. Then it's got nowhere to go that way, so it has to go up through this one. And it has enough force by then, because water can't compress, to swing open and go up into this chamber in here, this big air chamber. It's filled with air. So what happens then is it compresses that air. That air has nowhere to go. The water has nowhere to go, so it has to push back. It comes out through this pipe here and exits, and then it repeats that process again and again and again. This is why they are so effective at not needing to run on any form of power other than the gravity of the water and the water itself. So there's actually only two moving parts, these two valves, at the only given time. Except for that, the water is the other only thing that's moving. I thought I'd just show you that, and do subscribe for more interesting content like this. I will hopefully get a bit more better over time with this equipment. This camera though is proving to be a little bit tricky for me, but hopefully I'll get a better hand of it. Oh well, give it a thumbs up if you think it's a good idea, and comment on it if you can think of any ways I might be able to improve on this. I might be able to put a bigger air bladder on it. Other than that, I hope you have a good day. Bye.